I've just bought a ticket in every airplane seat to find out which one of them gives you the best gaming experience. Because when I fly, I always fly economy. And to pass the time while flying, I always bring a gaming handheld with me. But as I sit there incredibly cramped with a USB port that's not even powerful enough to charge my console, I always start thinking to myself, what's the charging options like in first class? What's the tech in the seat like? Are there any better games in the in-flight entertainment system? So to answer this, I've bought a ticket in every single seat, and I'm going to rank them based on 5 different factors.